if the Honorable Commissioner at his 70s can stand and give his remarks, so I'm in my late 20s. So, A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim wa sallallahu ala nabiyil kareem. The Honorable Commissioner, Minister of Education, the Chairman, Bama Local Government, Special Advisors, Senior Special Assistants, Permanent Secretaries, the Executive Chairman, Borno State Universal Basic Education Board, other top government officials here present, participants, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. It is with profound gratitude to Almighty Allah that I join you all today for the flag-off ceremony of yet another teachers training program for 1,181 participants from 15 local government education authorities across the state. Just over 4 months ago, I had the distinct honor to join in His Excellency, the Governor of Borno State, Professor Babagana Omar Zulum, who was ably represented by the Deputy Governor, Honorable Umar Usman Kadafur, at the flag-off ceremony of the second phase of the Borno State Teachers Training Program here at the Umar Ibn Ibrahim College of Education, Science and Technology, Bama. It gives me great pleasure to note the selection of Umar Ibn Ibrahim College of Education, Science and Technology, Bama, as the center for this phase of the training exercise, which is indeed a testament to the success of the second phase of the training exercise conducted here, a success made possible by the effort of the entire management of the college, led by the provost. In my speech during the second flag-off exercise in the same venue, I emphasized the need for the revamping of the education sector in our state after years of neglect and destruction occasioned by the Boko Haram insurgency. I also reiterated the significance of continuous professional development of teachers if our children are to get the education that they deserve in this modern world. To this end, programs such as this training program, which underscore His Excellency's unwavering commitment towards improving the standards of education in the state, is a right step in the right direction. Driving this laudable reform is none other than the Borno State Commissioner for Education, Science, Technology and Innovation, Engineer Mohammed Abba Wakilbe. Hardly a month passes by without the Honorable Commissioner coming to Bama, Banki, Dara Jamal and other communities on a working visit. By virtue of this singular fact, Engineer Abba Wakilbe has earned our respect and admiration and commendation. On this note, we reiterate our willingness to play a role that are expected of us as traditional rulers, such as mobilizing the community to ensure their children embrace education and supporting all government policies and programs. Let me seize this opportunity to congratulate Professor Bulama Kagu for his another 3 years in office. I believe when you go back, you officially write to the executive governor that you are still coming back to Bama for another official engagement. So you will be added another 3 years, make it 6, inshallah. I welcome you all, the teachers who will be part of this training exercise to Bama, and enjoy them to be worthy of the tasks ahead of them. aware of their responsibilities to our children, the state and the nation at large. I wish you a memorable stay in Bama and successful training program. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.